Hello everyone, this is Alex. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's talk about the difference between the A and the E sounds in American English. The A as in bat or cat or apple, and the E as in egg or bed. They may sound similar, but actually these are different sounds, and you need to learn how to pronounce them correctly. So let's get down to business. To pronounce A, you need to lower your jaw and keep your tongue low. A, A. Bat, hat, had. And for the E, you need to stretch your lips and keep your tongue in the middle of the mouth. E. Bed, medic, let, X, and so on. Alright, let's practice minimal pairs to clarify the difference. Had, head, bad, bed, land, lend, marry, marry, rabble, rebel, bat, bet, sat, set, man, man. There you go. Now a few tongue twisters. Can you say them fast? A fat cat sat on my hat. One more time. A fat cat sat on my hat. Get a pet, brat. My dad lent land to a lad. My dad lent land to a lad. Well, there you go. I hope the difference between the A and the E sounds is much more clear now. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. And if you'd like to study with me online, one-on-one, via Zoom, you can write me a message. My email and a link to my Telegram account and Twitter is just below this video. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and perhaps share it with your friends. I'd like to thank you for your attention. Keep practicing and best wishes in your English journey. Bye.